Welcome to Chao on Tour episode, where I take you with me to visit coffee shops and milk tea shops to hopefully inspire all of you, my viewers and subscribers, and of course to have a look at some of the most amazing shops that catch my eyes. This time we are in Chiang Mai, a city in mountainous northern Thailand. To get there, it is an hour's flight from Bangkok. Aside from it being a favorite destination for locals and tourists alike, it is also home to many of the best independent coffee shops in the country. Join me as I take you to visit Tomato Cafe, one of the highly recommended coffee shops to visit whilst in Chiang Mai. With its location in one of the most unassuming narrow shop houses, one could easily write them off. I nearly did, until I happened to stop by a shop next door. Let's find out what makes them special and of course, try their coffee. Monkey Latte. สวัสดีค่ะ They have many different types of beans which they allow customers to select for their Americano or for any drinks that they would like to order. They have nitro coffee, Tomato Cafe in Chiang Mai. So they have different types of coffee beans here. What you would typically see in specialty coffee shops. Now let's explore upstairs. This is very cozy. I like the design of this cafe. Everyone is special in their own way, and this one is, I would call, cool. Let's go upstairs. It is located in one shop house. It's a row house really, but they've made a good job of it. That's really it, 2 floors. They made a mezzanine here. Lovely. More seating area here. And when it gets very popular, I can imagine people overflowing, so they have some more space there at the back. I must say they have made a great use of the space that's available to them. It's quite narrow. I would say it's only about 5 meters wide. So that's the view of the cafe from the top. For drip coffee, it's typically more expensive than regular espresso-based coffee. Costa Rica, 180, Honduras, Colombia, Ethiopia, Rwanda. They have croissants and of course cakes. Mango cheesecake. That sounds good. Take a look at their menu. Specialty drink. They all look pretty in photos. They have some non-coffee drink, matcha with milk. Tea. Special drink, iced French latte, dirty coffee, Old Town, yuzu Americano, blue sky, tropical mojito. Quite a lot of special drinks here. สวัสดีค่ะ This is Khun Jay. He is the manager of this specialty coffee tomato cafe. แนะนำอะไรดีคะ
ถ้าเป็นลูกค้าทานเป็นขั้วอ่อนจะมีอยู่3ตัวครับถ้าขายดีก็จะมีเป็นอันนี้เป็น House Blend ครับผมจะเป็นคอสตาริกาครับ
This is the House Blend Costa
เอธิโอ
Rica
เปียผสมกันครับผม
Costa Rica and Ethiopia blend
ครับตัวนี้จะออกเป็นโทนไวนี่ครับผมแล้วก็จะมีเป็นฮอนดูรัสครับผมตัวนี้ออกเป็นโทนวิสกี้วานิลาครับ
Okay Honduras vanilla and whiskey
ครับแล้วก็จะเป็นโคลัมเบียซันตาลูเซียครับจะเป็นพีชเป็นโทนพีชลิ้นจี่ครับ
Colombia and for Santa Lucia is peach
เป็นตัวไหนเอาตัวนี้
Honduras
ได้ครับเป็นร้อนหรือเย็นดีครับผม
ร้อนค่ะ
เป็นร้อนนะครับ
คนสั่งเยอะไหมคะดริป
ครับผมก็มาเรื่อยๆแต่คนไทยไม่ค่อยชอบกินกันเท่าไหร่ครับ
นะคะแต่มันนุ่มกว่านะ
ใช่ครับส่วนใหญ่คนไทยจะกินเป็นกาแฟนมครับผม
กาแฟนมใช่ไหมคะ
ครับคนใหญ่ใครชอบกินเย็นด้วยอะไรอย่างเงี้ย
เย็นใช่ไหม The saying in Thailand people prefer the drinks to be ice and cold and also with milk So we've seen the art of making this one Honduras blend. It is vanilla and whiskey, and they serve it in this glass to put the flavor and the aroma in. Served with a glass of water and some ground beans to smell. Wow! And I can tell you, the smell is absolutely gorgeous. Wow! It is true to its name. Whiskey and vanilla, very smooth, and also the fact that it's served in this kind of glass, when you drink it, the aroma, you can smell the aroma of the coffee. For now, that's all I would like to share with you. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the cafe with me, and I'll see you again for more of these video clips. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.